Welcome back, guys, to a brand new video. Hope you guys enjoying this content. And this is about drivers. So this video was on Saturday, February 26th, right about noon. Grabbed my lunch, got my load from the port, and just mind my own business. Trying to finish it up early because it was a Saturday. I wasn't planning to work all day, but all of a sudden, in a little bit, you're gonna see, guys, this driver, we're on Highway 146. I'm gonna try to zoom in a little bit. You guys gonna see right now. All these cars are gonna start swerving side to side, and you're gonna see this guy coming the opposite. Driving the wrong direction. Look at that. The hazard lights on. Talking on the phone. Sorry, my dash cam was kind of rainy that day. I wasn't getting a clear image, but it was pretty crazy. Let's watch that clip again. You guys gonna see this guy. I don't know what was his problem. It was around. This was around noon, so it wasn't on nighttime. It was during the day, daylight. So that kind of shocked me. Well, there's the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll keep these videos rolling. You guys have a great day. Thank you.